I wish I lived upon a farm with fields so big and full of charm. Wake up early, rise and shine, farm chores waiting all in a line. The tractor wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The tractor wheels go round and round, all around the farm. The gentle cow goes moo moo moo, soft and friendly, how do you do? The gentle cow goes moo moo moo, all around the farm. Little piggies oink and play, snorting loudly through the day. Little pigs go oink oink oink, all around the farm. The tractor wheels go round again, back and forth and back again. The tractor wheels go round and round, all around the farm. A pretty horse with shiny mane, neighing softly in the lane. The pretty horse goes neigh, 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 all around the farm. Chickens cluck from here to there, flapping wings up in the air. The chickens go cluck, 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 all around the farm. Farms are busy every day, lots of work and lots of play. Maybe visiting is best for now, waving hi to every cow. The tractor wheels go round and round, round and round, round and round. The tractor wheels go round and round, all around the farm. Conure plantains, apples on the nether, saws and stormins, apples on the nethers, beans and porsons, apples on the nethers, laugh and never, apples and the nethers. It's Connie time, oh yes, hooray! Let's learn signs we use each day. When you want a little more, what's the sign we're looking for? More, more, more. Tap your fingers, ask for more. When you feel you've had enough, snack or toy or silly stuff, what's the sign when play is done? All done, all done, all done. More and all done, more and all done. Two helpful signs for everyone. More and all done, more and all done. Use these signs with everyone. When you want a little more, what's the sign we're looking for? More, more, more. Show the sign and ask for more. When you finally had enough, when you're done with all the fun, what's the sign to end the play? All done, all done, all done today. More and all done, more and all done. Two simple signs for everyone. More and all done, more and all done. Use these signs, yes, every day. When you haven't had enough, what's the sign to use once more? More, more, more. Tap your hands and ask for more. When you finally had enough, what's the sign says you're done? All done, all done, all done. Wave your hands, play